everyone, welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we talk about all things online money. Ever wondered how some people are raking in thousands of dollars without ever showing their face on YouTube? Imagine earning $500 a day, all from the comfort of your home without having to worry about cameras, makeup, or being on screen. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a dream. This is a reality for many, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. Watch until the end, as you won't want to miss a single detail about this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any money-making opportunity. First things first, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. A channel where you create content without ever showing your face. Instead, you rely on animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or even just your voice. The beauty of this model is that it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're sharing tutorials, reviewing products, or simply giving your thoughts on the latest trends, there's a faceless format that fits. And guess what? Some of the most successful channels out there are completely faceless. Think channels like The Infographics Show or Tech Gumbo, all making 6 or 7 figures a year without ever showing who's behind the scenes. So why choose to go faceless? The obvious answer is privacy. Not everyone is comfortable being on camera, and that's perfectly fine. With a faceless channel, you can protect your identity, avoid judgment, and still have a massive impact. Another huge benefit? You don't need expensive cameras, lights, or even a fancy studio setup. All you need is a decent microphone, some creativity, and a bit of know-how, which I'll cover in this video. Plus, without the need for on-camera presence, your production times can be drastically shorter, allowing you to pump out content consistently. All right, now that you're sold on the idea of a faceless YouTube channel, the first and most crucial step is finding your niche. This is the foundation of your entire channel, so it's important to choose wisely. Start by considering your interests. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about for hours? Next, evaluate the demand. Are people searching for content in this niche? You can use tools like Google Trends or YouTube's own search bar to see what's popular, but don't stop there. You'll also need to analyze the competition. Is the niche oversaturated? If so, can you bring something unique to the table? Finally, think about monetization. Will you be able to monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products? Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to develop a content strategy. This is your roadmap to success, and it's crucial for staying consistent and focused. Consistency is everything on YouTube. The algorithm loves channels that upload regularly. Whether it's twice a week, weekly, or even daily, pick a schedule that you can stick to. But remember, quality always beats quantity. Your strategy should include a mix of evergreen content, videos that remain relevant over time, and trending topics that capitalize on what's hot right now. Don't forget to encourage user-generated content or collaborations with other creators in your niche. This not only helps with content creation, but also builds a community around your channel. Now let's talk about production. The beauty of a faceless channel is that you can keep things simple. Here are the essential tools you'll need to get started. A good microphone is non-negotiable. Audio quality can make or break your channel, so invest in a decent mic. For screen recordings, software like OBS Studio or Camtasia works great. For editing, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve are perfect for polishing your videos. And don't forget about visuals. If you need stock footage or music, sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and the YouTube Audio Library offer free resources. As for thumbnails, which are crucial for click-through rates, you can use tools like Canva to create eye-catching designs. Your video production doesn't have to be Hollywood level. Start simple, and as you grow, you can always upgrade your tools and techniques. All right, your content is ready. Now, let's make sure it gets seen. Optimization is key to growing your channel and making that $500 a day. Start with keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidiQ to find keywords that people are searching for in your niche. Incorporate these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. A compelling title and thumbnail are crucial. They're the first things viewers see, so make them count. Also, don't forget about your video description. Use it to summarize your content and include relevant links or calls to action. and always use tags and hashtags to help your video get discovered. Lastly, utilize YouTube's features like end screens and cards to keep viewers engaged and guide them to your other videos. Here's where things get exciting: monetization. There are several ways you can start making money from your Faceless YouTube channel. First, there's YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. But don't stop there. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. Promote products relevant to your niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Sponsorships are another goldmine, especially as your channel grows. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. You can also sell your own merchandise or offer channel memberships for exclusive content. By diversifying your income streams, it's entirely possible to reach and even exceed that $500 a day target. But to make real money on YouTube, you need more than just views. You need a loyal audience. Building a community around your channel is key to long-term success. Start by engaging with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask questions, and encourage discussions. Use social media to promote your videos and connect with your audience on a more personal level. Consider creating a mailing list to keep your audience updated on new content and special offers. Hosting giveaways is another great way to boost engagement and grow your subscriber base. And always listen to feedback. Your audience will tell you what they like and what they don't. Use that information to improve your content. Once you've got the ball rolling, it's time to think about scaling your channel. This is where the real magic happens. To free up your time and focus on growth, consider outsourcing tasks like video editing, thumbnail creation, or script writing. You can find freelancers on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Expanding the types of content you create or collaborating with other YouTubers can also help reach new audiences. Some creators even launch a second channel in a related niche to diversify their income streams further. And don't forget about automation. Tools like Trello or Asana can help streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus more on creating content and less on managing the day-to-day operations. Running a faceless YouTube channel isn't without its challenges. There will be times when growth slows down or when you face technical issues or even negative comments. But here's the thing. Every successful YouTuber has faced these hurdles. The key is to stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Set realistic goals and celebrate small wins along the way. Learn from your analytics, what's working, what's not. Use that data to improve. Stay connected with your community. Their support can be a huge motivator, and don't be afraid to take breaks when needed. Burnout is real, and it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. So there you have it, the complete guide to starting a faceless YouTube channel and making $500 a day. It's not an overnight success story, but with dedication, creativity, and the right strategy, it's entirely possible to build a profitable channel that can change your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube journey, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what niche you're diving into. Thanks for watching.